how to download Spotify on an iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Spotify app on any iPhone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, we need to open up the App Store on our iPhone, and we can do that by swiping from right to left until you see App Library. Once you see App Library, select the little search bar at the top and just type App. You should see the App Store come up. Go ahead and select the App Store. Once the App Store opens up, select the search icon in the bottom right of the app, and then just select the search bar at the top and type Spotify. Once it searches, you should see Spotify Music and Podcast. Go ahead and select that. And then once in here, you'll have two options. If you downloaded Spotify before on an iPhone, you'll have a blue cloud icon. But if this is your first time, you'll see a button that says Get. So go ahead and select Get or the cloud icon, and that'll download and install Spotify. It may prompt you to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID to verify your identity. So go through that process. But once it's done installing, go ahead and select Open. Then once the Spotify app opens, you have two options. You can either sign up for a new Spotify account, or you can log into an existing one. I'm going to log in. Then once you get logged in, you can start enjoying Spotify on your iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.